Hello everyone, I hope you all are doing well. I am Dev, CEO and founder of patterndraft. So guys, today we are going to show you how you can switch between different body sizes with a graded pattern. We had already graded this pattern to show you and added different body sizes according to the pattern size. So let's get started. And one more thing, if you didn't subscribe to our channel, please subscribe it. So let's get started. To switch, you have to switch to the grading tab. Here are the all sizes which you had graded. To show you, I will switch the sizes here and body size also switch. So using this option, you can check all the sizes of your garment. It's easy to check fit of your style with on your different body sizes. So I hope you like this video, and if you didn't subscribe to our channel yet, please subscribe it. Have a nice day. Thanks for watching this video.